Okay, so this is so exciting. We're doing the drawing, our Zoom drawing. If you were on our Zoom, you might have heard us call your name. So we're doing our drawing now. Yes.
All right.
All
ready?
the names are in there. Okay, I'll take it and then you call the name. Are you ready? You guys ready? Okay.
Ready.
Who's gonna win the Be Kind box? Wait, let me see a Be Kind box again. Bring it back over again. Get some suspense going. Okay, so here's the Be Kind box again.
Can't see it. Hold on. Let's see if I put it here.
Okay.
So you'll be able to see it.
I want to see it on this camera
Yeah.
too.
Oh,
With
yeah.
over $100 in products. Actually, it's $140 worth of products. And we are going to
It's
draw.
not, it's not showing up.
Okay, it's all good. We're good. That's good enough. Okay, all right. Brrr, drum roll, please.
Okay.
Wait, I got a drum roll.
All right, go for it.
Okay, go for it.
All right.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. We got Peggy.
Nope. They can't see it.
Oh, they can't see.
It says T to the I to the N to the A. P-U-G-H-T.
I never win anything, I swear.
Oh, wow.
I'm not kidding. I swear, at baby showers, I never win.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Wow.
Congratulations.